Okay, people, dancehall artist Bounty Killer is defending Gwen Stefani wearing dreadlocks. Yes, it has been brought to my attention that they are accusing Gwen Stefani of being a culture vulture. Oh my god, people. You know, I'm quick to call out these vultures, trust me. Anybody that's been following me know that I'm very vocal about these type of stuff, but when it comes to this situation with Gwen Stefani, they're totally wrong, and I have a feeling it's a bunch of unscrupulous individuals out there, you see me I say, but nevertheless, we know that history between Bounty Killer and Gwen Stefani. So naturally, him I go defend him thing. You see me I say, and he reposted this on his IG page pertaining to the topic of her being a culture vulture. So he reposted this. Gwen Stefani is being accused of culture appropriation for wearing dreadlocks in Jamaican artist Sean Paul's music video with her and Shenseea. And he said, "What's happening over here now? Who's effing with my Gwen? Nobody F with Gwen Stefani in reggae or dancehall. She's been loving reggae dancehall all her life, plus most Jamaican girls today would rather wear a Brazilian weave than dreadlocks wig. So why the jealousy? Because she rocks it so well. I guess Uno go chat about the man big tune billboard shit like Uno can tell anybody not to celebrate our culture. Shut up. You know what I mean? And you know, you see all them things, them reposted and things and things. I don't know who the hell is coming up with these topics, you know. But how the hell she can be culture appropriation when she's in a music video with two Jamaicans? Put in the comment section, people, that make any sense to you. You know what I mean? I'm Bounty Killer hit it on the money. Enough for these black women, especially the ones in Jamaica. They despise dreadlocks. You see me I say? And them quick to wear the white woman silky and all of these Brazilian things and things. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Jeez. Anyway, you know that Bounty Killer definitely have to defend the team because this is his biggest royalty check he gets till this day. Because you know him, they do the video with no dope and them, you know. And, you know, honestly, you know, white people don't really got a culture. They got culture, but they don't have no culture, you know. That's why they take to other people's culture because, you know, this is a whole nother topic, you see what I'm saying? But she definitely wasn't culture appropriation, you know what I mean? Y'all need to chill out with that ish, you feel me? I'm just giving an update while I go on from what I have to go on. And feel free for putting that in the comment section what you think about that. You see me, I say, because whenever white people go in a black people neighborhood, them always dress them like them black and all of these things. Cause enough white girl, me say, come out of the ghetto and the black girl, them do them here like them one of them, you see me? I mean, I know. This is so embarrassing though, you know? So embarrassing. Anyway, let's proceed. You know, I mean, you know, times has changed now. You see me, I say, every dancehall, reggae, well, not reggae, every dancehall artist is culture appropriation. Overseas with this trap shit. You know what I mean? Want to just stop on the bagga and just put out good music and support the people. And me feel I'm saying, yeah, no, leave these types of topics for me. You know what I mean? Judge. And now a lot of people follow me for the mix-up, so I wanted to tell Uno when he can still find it run yeah, so. But just go over to the other channel, the yellow face one. In the meantime, you feel what I'm saying? Skilly Bang X Leshy is back at it, been clapping bitches to F up. But it look like say Kelly nah, let her go down, boy, people, you know what, let's just take a listen. And because it's your typical taboo selling pum pum boy, all that drag you do the name get caught up in this RIP.
Par. When you see me in a top notch, when you see me change my name to Leshy Top Notch, wanna say real Leshy come here one girl blood clot army, I'ma ever tell you that. Kelly and me make gonna start shave look on me, look on the cranny girl wanna talk. And me make you start blood clot shape and me make you start act like lady. Cause Kelly when me take you up and start par with you. When me Leshan come here someone take you up and start blood clot par with you, you start act like a lady. A 6 grand. Eh? Listen. Who said that? Well, I know. Life of a wicked. Me know why your blood clot over here now. Okay, me know have money too. And if me never have money then, me have money now. How much you get for PA a week time? 1,000 blood clot. On the talk loud in the back. How much money we make you now? 1,000 blood.
Click link in the bio to watch the full video. Bless.
More that you give me more than one color mesh skirt and I exchange that. Oh, me get the skirt there. Remember when you come at me yard? You come at me yard and your teeth out my bath suit top out of me drawer. And one time I look on the blood clot. When me look on the blood clot, but me no want nobody over here start comment like on the with me car. Me just dep on one blood clot page right this up on my blood clot friend phone. Knock on my friend name, on my goodie Bob's friend. On my friend phone and my friend show me a live. Oh, you're over there, rub your car rub head. Look here, rub head. Remember when you knock out blood clot Jody? Remember you're a coward, you know. Remember when you knock out Jody straight in a head house, you run going on and you talk, oh, them I go beat you and this and that, you know, and what you fi do and what you fi do, you know. Remember me tell you off in knock out, girl, you know. Remember me anytime you want to go permission and me a link, you know. Remember me. Now live off of Instagram. Yeah, I'm a G. I'm not really business. I'm not really business. Remember me. Anytime you want to go nowhere, go do no crime, and me you call, you know. You forgot. You forgot. She not get no money for do nothing. The boy get the money for build the house, for build one board house, one room board house.
Click the proper tab in the bio to watch the full video. Bless. Again, that's on my Mix Up and Things channel, and I know I got 2 of Mix Up and Things channel, my original channel, of course, and then this new one, but I'm gonna change the name to the new one and just keep the original Mix Up and Things one go, you feel what I'm saying. And if you don't know which one I'm talking about this one that you see in front of me. As you can see, it's red, gold, and green is the face, and we're uploading over there too, you feel what I'm saying, all day, every day. But we're not gonna long out that one any longer. Don't forget to comment on the Jada Kingdom situation, name of Jada King, Bounty Killer, Gwen Stefani situation about this culture appropriation thing. Yeah, I mean, boy, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell over here to be notified when I drop the latest dance on news, music, reviews, and gossips. Bless.